Dear students, today we will explore some advanced search options at Google. And at the end of this lecture, we will try to solve a complex problem by utilizing the knowledge you have gained in previous 4 to 5 lectures about search operators. So be attentive. So first of the thing in the advanced search option is in title. So when we write in title, it gives all of such pages on which the term has appeared in the title. So you might know that in every web page there is a title, and then there is a text, and then there are some other tags as well of a HTML page. So if we are interested to search in title, you need to write in title colon, and then for example iPhone versus Android. So what does it mean? That I want all of those web pages in which iPhone versus Android, the same phrase is available in the title of those web pages. So if I search, I get all of such web pages in which Apple versus Android, the phrase is mentioned as it is in those web pages in the title of their web pages. And similarly, you can also write all in title without double quotes. So all in title would mean that our search query will be translated in a way that it will try to search all of the terms individually. So this means it will search iPhone vs versus Android, all of these terms wherever they are found in the title. So for example, if Android is found first and iPhone is found as a second word in the title or at the end of the title, even then that type of web pages will be returned back to you. So here you can see that we have Android and iPhone and versus word available, but sometime you can see Android versus iPhone, but we have given the query iPhone versus Android. So even then it can search. So it doesn't care about the order of the words. So whatever is the order, it will be searching anything in the title. So similarly, you can also search in URL. So in URL would mean, for example, if I write in URL 2018 Virtual University. So I am interested to find all of those web pages which have Virtual University as the same as it is phrase and 2018 as well, but all of this information is in its URL. So if you search, then you will find 2018 and Virtual University somewhere. For example, in the first web page, you can see Virtual University is written here and 2018 is written here. So it will try to find all of such web pages which have written, which possess such kind of words in their URLs. So it is very important sometimes when you want to make a very dedicated search on the URL. And as we did for the all in title, here we can also do it for all in URL. So this would mean same as all in title, which would mean that it will search all of the terms independently without taking of their order. Similarly, we have another tag with in text. So for example, if I write in text virtual university admission 2018, so it will give me all of the web pages. It should be aligned. There should not be a extra space in between colon and the double quotes. So it will give me all of the web pages in which virtual university admission 2018 is written at any place in the whole text of that web page. And similarly, of course, you can try all in text. So it will exclude the ordering of the words and will search for all words anywhere in the text. So you might be wondering that if we exclude this all in text, even then it will find all of the web pages including having all of such terms. No, by using this tag all in text, you are trying to constrain the Google that Google should only concentrate on the body text of the web pages. If virtual university admission 2018 or any of the query is found in the title, in the URL, then those things are not on the priority. So Google will give priority to those terms in which virtual university admission 2018 is found in the body text. Then there is another very interesting advanced feature known as proximity search. So for example, you want to search education and virtual university. So these are your two terms which you want to search. Virtual university, but you want to say that education world or term and virtual university term should be co-located within the three worlds. So this is called proximity. So you can use the operator around. So finally we have found our results. So we are returned with all of the web pages which have term education and VU, but both of the terms are correlated in the proximity of three words. So with the gap of three words, both of the words are available in those web pages. So now we want to solve a complex problem. So for example, if I give you a problem that we are interested to see how many of pages of a website are not secured. So you can try to, for example, if we are interested to find on YouTube, then you can write site youtube.com. So it will give all of the pages which are on YouTube. But if you also write in URL -https, so this will exclude all of the web pages which are not secure. So there are 3790 videos which are not secured on YouTube. If we conclude today's topic, today we have tried advanced search queries in title, URL, in-text, proximity search, and we have tried to solve a complex problem based on the learning you have learned in the previous couple of lectures. Thank you very much.